guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, helps me a lot. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. Wow, that was a mouthful. So here's what she looks like. Right off the bat, it's beautiful packaging. Has a really gorgeous rose gold chrome top and then also label on the front. It's just very beautiful packaging. It's the first thing that caught my eye. I've actually had this for a while, so I followed them on Instagram and saw that they were coming out with this, and I was really anxious to get it. So yeah, they're based out of London, so this first came out to the YouTubers and like the people in London. Saw the video and I was like, oh, from one of the girls that lives in London or Europe and got their hands on this, and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. So once they launched it in the US, I like put a reminder in my phone to order it. The first day it was released on their website for the US, ordered it. It was $7.99 and then it was only $4 shipping, so I only ended up spending about $11. And then about a few weeks later, they launched it in Ulta. So I've had this for a while. I could have just thrown a video up real quickly, but I just wanted to give it a full review and spend some time wearing it and kind of gathering my thoughts on what I think about this product. So I do love this product. The hype is real. I know a lot of YouTubers are comparing it to Shape Tape. So y'all know that my go-to concealer is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's $4.99 at Ulta. I have every shade. I love it and I still love it, but I found myself putting it on, blending it out, and then I could still see a little bit of like bluish veins, and I have some rosacea, so I saw those things poking out, and I would go in with another layer, which I still love LA Girl because it's, you know, it's light and airy and I can build it up because it's not offering that coverage right off the bat. And I haven't used a concealer that gave full coverage right away. So then I tried this and I was like, oh my gosh. Is this what full coverage under the eyes is like? Because I like it. When I first tried this, I used shade C2, but I tried it with my same foundation. I used this, my same moisturizer, set it with the same powders I use, because once you're trying a new concealer or a new product, you want to keep your routine the same. That way you can target, you know, if it's the concealer you don't like or if you do like it, because if you're trying it with a new foundation or a new powder, you don't know which one could be the problem if you don't end up liking it. So I tried it with all of my normal products, but I love this concealer. Like I said, it gives full coverage right off the bat. I love the doe foot applicator, and since it is a big fat kind of wand and you're able to just across a bigger surface area get more coverage, blends out really nicely. It doesn't dry out too fast. It sets beautifully with a fine milled powder. That's how I use it.
My mind like a bottle of wine. I'm insane. I come alive, you drive me wild when I kiss you at night. I'm okay.
The biggest flaw that this concealer has is the fact that I felt like I went through it so quickly. So this has 0.11 fluid ounces. I don't know what that's like in comparison to other concealers. Let's see, I have LA Girl right here. This one is 0.28 ounces, and then the Maybelline Master Conceal. Okay, Maybelline Master Conceal is 0.4 fluid ounces, and this one's 0.11. So, I don't know if it's because of the formula. Maybe this one's just like, they could fit more in this packaging. But after 2 weeks of me using this like a normal concealer every day, I ran out. and I wasn't expecting to, so like I took it out and went to it and I could barely get anything out, and I was like, okay, that's a problem. I only do under my eyes, down my nose, forehead, so it wasn't like I was using like a crap ton of product. I used the same amount of product I do every day, and it ran out in 2 weeks. So I really didn't like that, but I loved it so much they hooked me, so I went back to Ulta. I was able to get C1 and C2, and yes, it's drugstore, and it's definitely like a cheaper alternative to the Shape Tape. If Shape Tape was out in 2 weeks, I would be pissed because that's an expensive high-end concealer. I do find myself going through LA Girl quickly as well, so it's not like this isn't the only concealer that I go through quickly. I was just surprised to see that I went through it as quick as I did. That's really the only bad thing I have to say. With that being said, I do recommend this concealer. I think it's great. I think it is really nice quality, beautiful packaging for only $8 for a drugstore concealer, and I like this better than some high-end concealers that I've tried. So I give this an A+. I give this an A- because I wish it would last a little bit longer. I wish there was more product in here, which is kind of funny because I feel like that looks like it's a lot of product, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. Cute sweatshirt.